Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is the day that I announced the 10k subscriber giveaway winners. My name is David Pittard. I'm a Nürburgring champion, international racing driver and driver coach with over 20 years experience in the motorsport industry and all-round petrol head. 1 month ago I asked you in my 10k subscribers giveaway announcement video to comment down below on that video for a suggestion, for a video for what you liked on the channel, what you want to see more on the channel, to give me some ideas of what you guys want to see, so that in this revamped 2021 version of the channel, you guys are getting the absolute maximum of what I can show you. It's been really fun to grow the channel in the past 12 months and I just want to continue doing that. And as a reward for your suggestions, I want to give something back. And I was overwhelmed with the response that I got. When the competition closed yesterday, 241 comments were posted below that video. Probably one of my most interactive with videos, which is great. And there was a number of some awesome suggestions, which I had a lot of fun going through and eventually picking a winner. Because I was so overwhelmed with the amount of support of the competition and ideas that were coming in, I've decided that not only am I going to give away one Spark model of my BMW M6 and a signed poster of the M6 from the Intercontinental GT Challenge Championship last year, to 5 additional other commenters I'm going to give away a signed poster as well, just so that I can give away as much as possible to say thank you to as many of you as possible. First of all, I'm going to start with my 5 runners up. And first on that list is Martin van Leeuwen. Thank you very much for a comment. It reads, absolutely love your videos, makes my interest in autosport even bigger and made me a fan of the BMW M6. Thank you and keep up the good work. I really love this comment because, yeah, that's what I want to do, is share motorsport with as many people as possible. And if you learn to love motorsport even more from what you've seen on my channel, then that's what I really want to hear. That's what I want this channel to achieve. So thank you very much, Martin. You're going to get a signed Intercontinental GT Challenge Walkenhorst poster sent to you. The second person that will be receiving a signed M6 GT3 poster is the Raging Ranger 1. And his comment reads, love the videos, I really enjoy them and hope you have a very successful season in 2021. Good luck to you. My idea of a video is you attempting to beat the mechanics at changing the tyres on the car. I think that would be entertaining and funny. Couldn't agree more with you. I think that's one of my favourite video suggestions that was written in the comments, and hats off to the Walkenhorst guys who do a mega job with the pit crew, especially Tristan, who is an absolute beast. So I think that'd be quite entertaining to watch these arms and shoulders try and compete with Tristan and see how fast I can do it versus how the pros can do it. My third runner-up winner is from Lewis Forberger. Lewis writes, first off, really enjoyed your story. Everything you filmed, commented and produced for us is absolutely amazing to watch. All your videos about the races were really amazing. What I want to see is everything you've mentioned, more onboard race vlogs and reviews. I'm really excited for the how-to series because no one has really done that yet, so we get more information around to begin the motorsport scene. I hope you'll get your sim racing equipment soon. I think watching you sim races are really good to watch and we can learn new things and all around good content for the viewers and fans. I hope you have an amazing day, keep up the beautiful work, I'm excited. Lewis is a very regular commenter on my channel, so seeing his suggestion, it was no surprise to see a comment pop up from him. But yeah, really like the feedback, really like the ideas, and I hope that Lewis can join me when I get my sim equipment here for a community race throughout the year. Winner number 4 comes from Royal. I've been enjoying watching these videos. Thank you for sharing the life of a driver in motorsport and the challenges that they face. I'm grateful that content like this is available, Alan. Thank you very much for that comment. Again, what I love is sharing my passion, motorsport, and sharing what I'm very lucky to do. And I think that's what you guys love to see. So yeah, get ready for plenty more race vlogs coming up this year. I think it's going to be a very exciting year planned. I can't wait to share it with you all. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for the 2021 season, race vlog season to come. And my final runner-up comment comes from Francisco Silva. Rock on! Your vlogs keep us inside of a race driver life. Those onboard videos are fire, well of a racing driver and great car that the team gives to you. Great that you're enjoying the vlogs, great that you're enjoying the onboards. Like I said, there's going to be plenty more onboards to come from the race season this year, as well as all of my on-track activities in some cool cars that I should be coaching and working with as well. So thank you very much for your comment. Thank you very much for all those runners up. It was great to see all the feedback. It was very tricky to try and whittle down 241 comments into 6 winners, but without further ado, we head to our winning comment. And our winning comment comes from Adam B. Adam B writes, absolutely love your content, really looking forward to the content this year. I would love to hear about how you learn a circuit and build speed confidence over the weekend, and perhaps show one of your first laps of the weekend compared to the quickest. A Nürburgring track guide would be amazing as well. Good luck for 2021. Adam is another regular subscriber that is always commenting on the videos. So again, it was no surprise that he was going to write a comment underneath that video. Really enjoy his engagement with the channel, as mentioned, and also a very good video idea of how you build confidence, how you learn a circuit, because I think that translates to new people getting into the sport that want to learn a circuit first of all, but also to other people that are learning new circuits, race license holders that are going to be learning new circuits, new cars and things like that as well. So I will be doing my best to try and explain that in the best way that I can, and I will be writing that video and announcing that video this week on Thursday. So make sure you stay tuned, stay subscribed for that video to come. So I will be getting in contact with our winners to hand over to Adam B the signed Spark 143 model of the 2018 total liveried M6, which raced at the Spa 24 Hours. It's also the same livery that I started my Nürburgring career with, where I got my first pole position. Alongside that, there will be the Intercontinental GT Challenge poster, which is also signed, and this signed poster will also be going to the 5 other runners up as well. So I will be in contact with you guys. Please make sure you respond, please make sure you reply, and I'll get these sent out to you as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that commented on the video for the 10k subscriber giveaway. It was really great to see all of your thoughts, your feelings, and what you want to see more of throughout the year. There's some really cool ideas there, and I look forward to exploring them and bringing that to you. So make sure you stay subscribed for all of those videos to come throughout the year. So whilst you're on the channel, make sure you check out this classic onboard video down here. Make sure you check out my first 2021 season announcement down here, and stay subscribed up here. Until next time, bis dann.